Okay, it's cereal time. And they got lots and lots to choose from here. And Quaker does offer a gluten-free maple and brown sugar, and I thought they also offered plain and gluten-free, but I'm not seeing it here. Also, they offer gluten-free minute oats, which are only 20 cents more than the regular oats. So, I mean, that's a really great deal. A lot of people say, oh, gluten-free oats are going to be so much more expensive, but guess what? They're not. On the other side of the aisle, we have Lucky Charms, which cracks me up over the fact that they're gluten-free. I don't know why. I've never eaten them, but I just think it's funny. Unlike most stores, this Walmart does something I really, really like. They put the wheat Chex way up there so people can't accidentally grab it. Because all the rest of these Chex are gluten-free. So that's nice. The rice, the corn, the peanut butter, the chocolate. So you have a wide variety of those cereals if you so desire. Also, some Cheerios are gluten-free, but not all. Honey Bunches are not, but the Very Berry and a lot of the others are. So again, you really just have to check the label there. This is a very, very handy section. Larabar, all Larabar foods are gluten-free. Luna bars are also gluten-free, but I prefer Lara because they don't use soy. And you can see they show you how many ingredients there are. There's just 5. This one there's just 2. So that's great. I can't say enough about those. And then if you're looking for protein, the Epic bars are really good. The meat bars are good. I haven't actually tried these because I can't eat almonds. Sorry. And as far as granola goes, most of them have wheat in them. So look for ones that are labeled specifically gluten-free. And my absolute favorite in the world, and is the only one in here that is gluten-free, is this Bare Naked. And you can see right up in the upper left-hand corner it says gluten-free. This cacao and cashew butter is so delicious. I can just eat it right out of the container. So I definitely recommend that. And they have it at a pretty decent price here at Walmart.